many of you knows that I designed a artwork with very less time, and this is the right time. Today we will redesign their artwork. Blending, color balance, color matching are some techniques you will learn from this video. So let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Abhishek, a 20 years old brand and visual graphic designer based in India. So we will redesign that artwork in A4 paper sheet with transparent background. So this is an information I want to give you. So I will give. So first of all, we have this picture. We clean this from getting it out with some people. I'll make a tutorial on that one. You can see by clicking on the card button. So here's the background we will use. And now I'm importing some important PNGs or main products. So I will be right back to you. So first of all, we have to blend things with the environment of background. So what can we do? We can do clone. Yes, clone. Clone is a very powerful tool. I also covered this tool in that video. You can see with clicking on the card button right over here. So I am selecting the clone and just cloning the sand with this. I will be right back to you. You can see that I cloned the sand over the glass, but some kiddish things rested like this. So what we can do is we will mask the background sand over the glass layer and we will invert the mask and then we will paint. So I will write back to you. You can see we will perfectly duck the glass in the sand. Now we will adjust the brightness or the lows or the dullness of the glass of water according to environment of the background. So we will create a level layer and we will clip this layer with the glass layer. Click on Alt and click on your mouse. And now we will adjust the brightness and the dullness with the environment of background. So you can see the left of the background is filled with sun ray. It is like sun ray is coming from the left side of the background. So we are enhancing the brightness of the object with respect to that ray of sun. Now the number of airplane. We have to blend the airplane with the sun rays in the background from the left bottom of the airplane. So I will write back to you. Now the only thing you have to keep in mind that the direction of your brush stroke is right over the direction of the sun rays coming on the airplanes so that the blending looks like so real. So keep in mind that thing. I will write back to you. Now we have to add some elements. So we have to add some lemons and we have to add some green lemons, mints, and I will write back to you after ducking them into sand. Okay, so what is now? So we have to the logo of the brand and the main theme of the flyer so that more eyes will key into this flyer ad. And I'm placing a texture on the graphic so that this is a cherry on top, like with the respect of roughness. The last things are adjustments. Oh my god, I love this process. It is adjustments layer. So that's a wrap up, guys. What about the video? Please write down your thoughts in the comment section. It is only for you. Signing off.